The Crimson Room is a music venue. We host jazz music. Jazz music was born in New Orleans, so it seems like a very perfect fit. My name is Erin Rosa. I'm the bar manager at the Crimson Room. My cocktail is the 8 count. The spirit we're using for this cocktail is Southern Comfort, a New Orleans-based cocktail known for its hint of vanilla and cherry and cloves, so it can blend well with a lot of really nice cocktails. It's a nice and refreshing cocktail that you can use to start your evening or end your evening. I'm Erin Rosa. You're watching Cocktail Creators.